কে সামুদ্রিক সম্মেলন করছি আগরতলা প্রেস ক্লাবে। আমি সম্রাট দেববর্মা, পিএসএফ প্রেসিডেন্ট। আমার সঙ্গে রয়েছেন আমাদের সাধারণ সম্পাদক শ্রী হামুলু জামাতিয়া এবং আমাদের সাথে রয়েছেন জয়েন্ট সেক্রেটারি রেনু দেববর্মা এবং এদিকে রয়েছেন আমাদের টাউন কমিটির ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট মনীষ দেববর্মা। আপনারা দেখেছেন যে বিগত আগে এই ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের অপোজিশন পার্টি ত্রিপুরা মথা ও পার্টি আগামীকাল শনিবার 30 তারিখ এই ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের বনকে ডাক দিয়েছে। আমরা টিএসএর পক্ষ থেকে সাপোর্ট করি। কিসের জন্য সাপোর্ট করি? আমাদের ত্রিপুরার জন্য যে গত বছর থেকে আমাদের যে পিছিয়ে রয়েছে এর জন্য আমরা সাপোর্ট করছি। আপনাদের
Sekarang media friends semua hambai, miro semua zora ramai bagai. Tini TSF nenggai, press meet asal informasi. Ini ang Saka Hamulu Jamatia, General Secretary Tipra Evaluation. Tian laga Tongo, ane President Mr. Samrat. Joint Secretary Mr. Renu. Town and College Committee ni Vice President Mr. Monish. Tini press meet kami informasi. Talsa sekarang TSF nenggai 12-hour statewide strike up. Public wrongly support Hamzagma, the various student organization, social organization is supported by. Sin is a movement. 12 hours ibagai successful. Gon ibagai sanggon. Sini Hamzagma te khak Hamzagma. Te media rono jeng hambaya pura. Tani humale nirok sung no coverage khaye sini is a movement no. Hasse kan ngai nirok phurung mani bagai nirok na hambaya. Jeng sini strike jeng successful nang hangai jeng masuk naga. Government of state Tipra borok taksa jora sono respond musaroya. Jeng main ismi jini movement Roman stigmatoi jeng sengjagi family takla. Jeng sini division wise sini railing theng teboni porake jeng governor no jeng memorandum yafar. Haifan government rock sini korang kalain bagai jeng banung kaze 12-hour strike jeng call kagani. Talsa Saka 28 August government rock almost sitai sini movement sini korang nok khana yang ke sing bus kang salo table sini movement kota nok khana nei sing disana lai sa Tongo sing government no bar appeal khai haifan borok taksu jora khana orok kabang ma student organization social organization borok sono support khai haifan government takun sing omo sini native indigenous people ni sini movement. This is not only a movement of native indigenous people of the state. I will request our brother of the Bengali community brothers and sisters to participate even in this movement. You all know the importance of language because you all have experiences. We have seen in the past the Basa Andaman. Why this movement took place? Because we all love our language, we all respect our language. So I appeal our Bengali brothers and sisters also to participate at this movement. You all also have sacrificed and know the grievances of the movement during the time of Basa Andaman. So we the native indigenous people also to preserve our language. We are fighting for our rights for more than 50 years. So I want you all also to support it. I would like to appeal the government of Tipra and government of India to look into this matter. Why are we neglected? Why are our demand neglected? We question the government of India and government of Tipra. Boni bagai, sing appeal kaya government no. Sini je demand no. Seriously, seri naik ni bagai. Sing sing tongla, sing talsa sedang sini movement, sing 12-hour strike, sini tak apa. Bus kang salo, sing khakai go. Sini tebu coba kotor, naik. And we have seen the national party are not in favor of this demand. The NSUI have supported us. We have seen the removal of the state president from the Congress party, the student wings, NSUI. I don't understand what are the national party want to pass the message to the native indigenous people of the state. Are they not in favor of the native indigenous people of the state in Tipra or Northeast state? For all this reason, we appeal and request the government of Tipra and government of India to look into this matter very seriously. If not, we are ready to go for greater movement again. Secondly, Sungnuka Salkisa Sakang Tipra Motha Boro 30 of September 12 hours sebagai strike document. Sung TSF kutuk mas hal rongoi jeng. Sung the regional party ni support mana sung samung kai fighter for the greater interest of the people. Boni bagai sung TSF khanani strike 12 hours sebagai jeti pramotha bai ringjang man no sung amana support kai hnai sung tini saklayo. Boni bagai sung Tipra hasini lukurno ko koinai all movement no success kaya ni bagai ni ron participate ni ron hamza man ni ron support na. Boni bagai sung oman appeal khainai as we are very peace loving people sung peaceful ni sini movement no sung carry on ma khainai. Boni bagai sung TSF sung khrani je 12 hour strike Tipra motha bai ringjang man no sung support khai.
Itu support kaya na physically na morally.
Si, sung to sung je mansak sung sini handong sa sung support kene. Sung om dai ke sung additional ke.
Means speaking dogo nong na nugu jaman no ada support dia tu khai jong na.
Na je tabo picketing on nug na je nugi amo to khanan nug lai sinai. Ha bahaying no. Bani bagai hai pano sung sini full support sung khanan strike no sung support kai.